Introducing the EF ECOFLOW Solar Generator Delta2, a cutting-edge portable power station designed to redefine outdoor energy solutions. This review delves into the impressive features and capabilities of this solar generator kit, highlighting its durability, versatility, expandable capacity, and eco-friendly design. Whether you're an avid camper, an RV enthusiast, or simply seeking a reliable source of clean energy for home backup, the Delta2 offers a compelling alternative to traditional generators. Join us as we explore the details of this innovative power solution. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Durability and battery life. The standout feature of the EF ECOFLOW Delta2 is its long-lasting lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery chemistry, which offers an impressive 3,000-plus cycle life. This longevity ensures that the Delta2 will serve you for years to come, making it a wise investment. Additionally, the built-in battery management system, BMS, enhances safety by regulating the portable battery's performance, giving users peace of mind during usage. Number 2. Power and versatility. The Delta2 boasts an impressive 1,800 watts output, which is on par with conventional outdoor generators, but without the noise and fumes associated with them. This means you can power a wide range of appliances and devices, making it a versatile choice for various applications. With 15 outlets available, this solar generator can accommodate up to 90% of your household appliances, making it suitable for both outdoor adventures and home backup power. Number 3. Expandable capacity. One of the most compelling aspects of the Delta2 is its expandable capacity. The base model comes with a 1 kilowatt-hour portable power station, but you have the option to add extra batteries, allowing you to increase the capacity up to 3 kilowatt-hours. This feature is particularly useful for campers, RV enthusiasts, and those who require more extensive power backup solutions. Number 4. What's included? The Delta2 package includes everything you need to get started. The Delta2 power station, a 220 watts bifacial solar panel, an adjustable kickstand case, an AC charging cable, a car charging cable, a solar charging cable, DC 5000, 521 to DC 5000, 525 cable, user manual, and an exclusive 5-year warranty. It's worth noting that the Delta2 and the solar panel are shipped separately, which ensures that they arrive in excellent condition. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 15.7 inches length by 8.3 inches width by 11.1 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. What's in the box? Let's dive into what's in the box. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Long-lasting LFP battery chemistry with 3,000 plus cycle life. Clean and eco-friendly solar power source. High 1,800 watts output for versatile appliance support. Expandable capacity up to 3 kilowatt-hours. 1 reason not to buy. Initial investment cost may be relatively high. Conclusion. The EF ECOFLOW Solar Generator Delta2 is a robust and eco-friendly power solution that is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while providing ample electricity to power a wide range of devices and appliances. With its expandable capacity, long-lasting battery, and included solar panel, it offers excellent value for those seeking a sustainable and reliable source of power for both outdoor adventures and home backup situations. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.